Welcome to Los Boliches in Fuengirola, home to the remarkable Finca del Secretario archaeological site. Discovered in 1987, these Roman ruins date back to the 1st to 4th centuries AD and offer a fascinating glimpse into ancient industrial and daily life. Let's explore the site's key features and understand why it's worth a visit. One of the site's highlights is the fish salting factory, where the Romans produced garum, a fermented fish sauce highly prized for its flavor and believed health benefits. Garum was a staple in Roman cuisine, often mixed with wine and used to enhance various dishes. Garum was made by fermenting fish with salt, creating a rich umami flavor that became a cornerstone of Roman gastronomy. Adjacent to the factory are the clay pot kilns, where large ceramic vessels were crafted. These pots were essential for storing and transporting goods like garum, olive oil, and grains, playing a vital role in the trade and daily life of the Roman Empire. The site also features a thermal complex, or Roman baths, showcasing the sophisticated engineering of the era. These baths were not only places for bathing but also socializing and conducting business, reflecting the communal aspects of Roman culture. After exploring the ruins, you might want to relax at Jazzy Bar, conveniently located adjacent to the site. With its terraces offering views of the archaeological park, it's an ideal spot to unwind and reflect on the history surrounding you. The Finca del Secretario is easily accessible, situated near the Los Boliches train station. Best of all, entry to this archaeological site is free, making it an enriching experience for visitors of all ages. Whether you're a history enthusiast or simply curious about the past, the Roman ruins in Los Boliches offer a captivating journey into ancient times. With its well-preserved structures and informative displays, it's a must-visit destination in Fuengirola. Thanks for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you at our next historical exploration. Hey there, sun seekers! Planning a Costa del Sol escape? My website and YouTube channel have you covered with resort insights, attractions, local tips, and vibrant festivals, all topped with helpful reviews. Whether dreaming or ready to jet off, my site simplifies your journey. Scan the QR code for pocket-sized guidance on the go. Join the adventure. Explore the links in the description for an effortless Costa del Sol experience. Let's make your getaway memorable. Happy travels! Thanks for watching, and enjoy life.